Educators and corporate trainers often spend hours not just building slides, but writing out the matching coursework script. If you have raw training notes, you can simultaneously generate both your structured classroom presentation and your exact speaking draft instantly. So here we are on Dokie AI, and we're just going to get straight into it. So here's where you describe your topic or idea or upload your files, doc, PDF, all of that. But we're just going to paste a prompt in here. Basically, create a structured classroom training presentation with a matching speech draft on how wind power works, an introduction to renewable energy systems, right? And then I ask it basically to cover how a turbine converts the kinetic energy, the main components, energy output, all of that. And I've got it to write it for a beginner classroom audience around 12 slides. And then all I do is click this button here and we are off. Now, let's be honest about where the time actually goes when you build training material. It's not the slides. Anyone can drop text into a template. The real drain is that you've finished the deck, right? You look at it and then you realize you've got a completely separate job ahead of you, working out what you're actually going to say over every single one of those slides. That's the second draft, right? From scratch. And it's the one that keeps people up at night before. So watch what happens here. You take whatever you've already got, and I mean, whatever, raw educational text, a Word doc full of half form notes, a full PDF curriculum, and you push it straight into the creation system. There's no reformatting, no cleaning it up first, no rewriting it into prompt friendly language. It just takes your material as it is. And here's the part that changes the maths, right? It doesn't just build your slides, it simultaneously generates a matched speech draft, right? And that draft is specifically tailored for classroom delivery. So it's written to be spoken out loud to a room, not read silently off a page. Those are two different registers, and most tools only give you one of them. So think about what that actually means for your workflow. Two deliverables, one pass, right? The deck and the script arrive together, already aligned to each other because they came from the same source in the same moment. You're not reconciling one against the other at midnight. You're reviewing something that's already finished. Now, no first draft is ever exactly right. And this is where a lot of AI tools quietly abandon you. They generate something impressive and then leave you fighting the thing to change it. Doki gives you two ways in, and you move between them freely. The first is conversational. You just type a command to the editor in plain English. You tell it to summarize a long paragraph down to a student, can absorb. You tell it to emphasize the key learning objectives so they stand out rather than being in the body text. And it does it immediately. There's no prompt engineering, no learning some special syntax, right? You talk to it the way you would brief a colleague. And this matters just as much. When you want precision, the standard menu system is sitting right there. Quick formatting changes done by hand without you having to construct some elaborate text prompt just to nudge a prompt or flick some spacing, because sometimes describing what you want is slower than just clicking it. And that combination is really the point. You talk to it when you're moving fast and thinking in ideas. You click when you know exactly what you want and you just want it done. Most tools, force you into one or the other, but here you're never fighting the interface, right? Whichever the mode your brain happens to be in at the time. So if you want something a bit more, professional, a bit with more images, then I can just say, turn this into a presentation with images and diagrams and send it. Now, this is where dense material stops being dense. And honestly, it's my favorite part. Think about how learning actually feels. Like, it's rare that the student is incapable. It's that the information arrives as a wall of text and their brain has to do all the structural work itself, holding six things in memory while trying to work out how they connect. That's exhausting, and it's why people switch off. So watch what it does automatically. It produces clear logic diagrams. So the relationship between ideas are drawn out visually instead of buried in sentences. You can see how one stage leads to the next at a glance, and it builds strong data visualization so the numbers land as a shape rather than as a table nobody reads. Complicated subjects become graspable fast because the structure is doing the teaching for you. So one thing I can do, I can click this image, I can put it back into the chat and say, turn this into a 3D wind turbine model for me to be able to move around 360, which will add some dynamics to it. And then it goes a step further than any standard deck, right? You can integrate 3D models. So the thing you're describing is right there and it can be rotated and explored. an interactive hover feature so the audience can pull detail up themselves rather than passively watching. That's what keeps a room engaged through a full training session rather than losing them somewhere around slide 6. And now the part that decides whether any of this was worth it. Getting it out of the software and in front of real people. Because a beautiful presentation that only works inside one app is useless to a teacher or a trainer. You need it in the room. So you export your finished deck perfectly tailored for standard school formats and traditional classroom projection system. That means it holds up on the equipment that's actually installed in the building, not just on your laptop screen. Nothing breaks, nothing, embarrassing happens the moment it hits a big screen with 30 people watching. And the flexibility carries beyond one session. So you can see here exported as a PDF, how clean it is, how good looking it is. It's just so nice. And the flexibility carries beyond one session, right? Your base materials adapt seamlessly across different multi-scenario needs. The same source you built for a classroom can be reshaped into courseware, into a corporate training module, into academic research material. You're not rebuilding from zero every time the context changes. You build the substance once and then you point it wherever it needs to go. So, two last things worth knowing, right? And they're the reason people stick with this. First, speed under pressure. When an urgent training module lands on you with no warning and the session is tomorrow, this turns it around fast. It's a total lifesaver when the deadline appears out of nowhere and you've got the knowledge but not the hours. And second, the finish. The layouts come out clean, they come out polished and professional, and you completely bypass any need for prior graphic design skills. You don't have to know a thing about hierarchy or spacing or color theory. You bring the expertise, it brings the polish. Enhance your next training session by generating your slides and speech draft together via the link provided below.